Hey, what is up guys, this is OD unboxing and product review. So today we will do a quick unboxing on the newest Apple SE Apple Watch. Wristwatch check, I have here the stainless steel 42mm second gen Apple Watch. So I'm excited guys to unbox this Apple Watch SE, but first let's roll that intro. And guys, we are back, and on this table we have here the box of the Apple Watch. So in front we have the Apple logo and the watch. At the side we have here the 24 months warranty. And at the back we have here the price. The price is 1,300 Saudi Riyal. And that's it guys. So let's unbox. Okay. So at the back we have here the specification. We have the Apple Watch SE space gray aluminum case, black sport band, and 40mm. And also what is included inside the box. So we have the Apple Watch, the band, and charging cable. The power adapter is sold separately. Not all capabilities are available in our areas. Apple Watch is not a medical device, and if you want more information about that, please proceed to the apple.com. This Apple Watch SE requires iPhone 6s or later with iOS 14 or later, Apple ID, internet access, acceptance of software license at apple.com. So that's it guys, let's start the unboxing. Let's check out the band. We have here a quick manual, instruction and safety information. And inside the box is we have the pair of band. And also we have here extra band for small or medium size. So now let's unbox the Apple Watch SE. So that's it guys. First we have here designed by Apple in California. We have a quick manual as well. And also we have here the charging dock. And we have the Apple Watch itself. So this is a 40mm. So let's unwrap. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's try the band. The wristband. Okay. So that's it guys. Let's compare it to my 42mm Apple Watch 2nd gen. So guys, size comparison, at my right we have here the 42mm and at the left is we have the 40mm. The 40mm is a space gray color and we have here the stainless steel. So they are both at the same thickness. So let's try it on guys. So guys, we have here the Apple Watch 40mm space gray aluminum case. So I have a medium size wrist, that's why the 40mm looks small on my wrist. And if you guys are wondering, the special features of this Apple Watch is the same with Apple Watch Generation 5. or the 5th gen. However, this is more cheaper compared to the 5th gen Apple Watch. And if you want a specification, just search or Google it. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe guys. Comment if you have any questions, suggestion, or correction. It will help this channel a lot. Thank you guys, see you guys next time.